We tried to understand Azure Container Instances in the previous video, and we covered a lot of theory in that video. And in today's video, we are going to perform the demonstration. It's very easy. We already know all the managed services are very easy to create and work with, okay, as per the platform. All right, but at the back end, there are a lot of work goes on, right? So as you can see on my screen, I'm on the create container instance page. Okay, and we all know containers are becoming the preferred way to package, deploy, and manage cloud applications. ACI offers the fastest and simplest way to run container in Azure without having to manage any VM and without having to adopt a higher level service. All right, so let's go ahead and fill this up. Okay, container name. We need to give the name to our container. Let me call it container. All right. Container 01. Let me put it in the West Central US. Now you can see the image source. So this container is not something that you go and keep on deploying and changing, but this would be running an image, a service, maybe some application or things like that. Now here you need to select from where you want to run the image. You can have your Azure Container Registry. If you remember, we did perform the demonstration of Azure Container Registry. This is what it is. And under repository, if I opt for this option, if I'm managing everything through Azure Managed Services, I can go with Azure Container Registry, and this is my image. It will come here. If I select this one, you can see this is the name of my registry, this is the image, this is the version, and this one is Linux. Okay, you can also go and connect with the Docker Hub and select the image from your public image or the private image. It depends. So for our demonstration, let's quickly select the quick start image, and it is a hello world image with 1 CPU and 1.3 GB of memory. Okay, let's go to networking. Here you can see we can have a DNS label with the help of which we can browse whatever is running inside this container. In our demonstration, this would be a hello world image that we can easily browse with this DNS. Let me call it my container 01. It would be available on port 80. All right. Okay. Now here you can define some policies like what happened, you got to restart on failure or always or never. So let's go review and create and check how it works. While it is creating, let's talk about a little bit, as we've already covered almost all the theory about this ACI. So this would be a managed container where we will provide the image and it will keep on running. For example, in this demonstration, that's what we are doing. We have created an ASI, provided the image, and it will be running. Okay, so ACI we use normally to run serverless Docker containers in Azure with simplicity and speed. Okay, and deploy an application to a container instance on demand when you don't need a full container orchestration platform like AKS. We did talk about that, so I just mentioned it because it was deploying. So rather than sitting quiet, let's refresh the memory. So this is our container instance where we have chosen this image which would be running on this public IP address, and this is the DNS. Okay, if I go and try to browse it, there we go. Welcome to the Azure instance. All right, so it's very simple and sweet, nothing much, but you can go ahead and use it according to your need. For example, you can go ahead and create some kind of image and put it in the registry, some complicated big one as per your need for different kind of applications. Put it in your registry and then provide this ACI image from the registry. Okay, so it all depends, but that's how you use the ACI, and that's how you use the Azure Container Registries. Well, thank you for watching, and you have a good day.